I request Ganesh sir to please put his words to our audience.
Let me, at the outset, thank the organizers, particularly Dr. Dayanand Pai and our popular celebrity chef, my namesake Ganesh Naik, for initiating and organizing the first celebration of Kannada High School Founders Day at Kashimat, Bangalore today. I am proud and always that I was fortunate to have studied in this great alma mater, Kannada High School. I graduated in 1959. On this great occasion, let us remember the great soul, Amember Subrai Pai, whom I consider the greatest among all great people of Konkani Samaj. By starting Kannada High School and subsequently establishing Kannada Bank, Amember Subrai Pai contributed immensely to the upliftment of not only of people of Konkani Samaj, but also people of other communities in Mangalore and South Kannada, socially and economically. I don't want to take much of your time as others have to speak also about it. I take this opportunity to express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to the great soul of Amember Subrai Pai, to whom I owe a lot for what I am today. In the year 2001, it was my great fortune that I was invited to Kannada High School, Mangalore, and honored by the committee as a distinguished alumni of Kannada High School. This I consider as the greatest honor in my life. Namaskar.